looking after the steering, the engines, the electronics, the hydraulics, the brakes, the parachutes. Everything is controlled from in there. That is the nerve center of the car.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
When I'm driving it, it feels unbelievably fast. The ground just gets
Wow.
faster and faster through 300, 400, 500 miles an hour, and it just keeps coming.
The plane
Are made from solid aluminium. They're designed to rotate 170 times a second and survive
a bit fast, like
50,000 times the force of gravity at the wheel rim. The reason we have to use solid wheels, there is no kind of rubber tire ever created that will survive that kind of load. The only way to reach 1,000 miles an hour is to use the best technology from everywhere we can find it, including the jet engine. The car is powered by a combination of a jet engine this year and jet and rocket next year. The jet engine we have is the Rolls-Royce EJ200, the Eurofighter Typhoon engine, the most high-powered, sophisticated, and most importantly for me, the safest jet engine in the history of military aviation.
Wow. It is the world's fastest what? The world's fastest, Henry?
car.
What do you call that car, Henry?
I don't
What
even know because I don't know.
So
I
what
don't
did
even
you
because I
call
don't have a
that car?
book.
Yes, Harry? Harry?
It's a bloodhound car.
Yes, it's a bloodhound car. And this is one of the fastest cars in the world. And they are trying to operate the car in the desert to measure the speed of the car. Did you listen to the video? What distance and time did they measure? Can someone tell me the distance and the time they measured? They did not use meter. They did not use seconds. What did they use? Yes, David.
Meter a second. They use mile per ounce.
Yes, they use mile and they use hour. Right? Now, if you have your books with you, in there, it says that the bloodhound can travel around how many miles per hour? Those who have books, raise your hand. How many miles per hour can the car travel? Chicken. Do you have a book? Tuan Lam, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you watching something, Tuan Lam. Turn on your camera.
1,600 kilometers per hour.
Yes, it can travel up to 1,600 kilometers per hour or 1,000 miles per hour. So it's very fast. Now, who can tell me, what type of force is acting on the bloodhound car? Do you remember the type of force? Is it balanced force? Daknam, what type of force is it? Daknam, turn on your microphone. Is it balanced, Daknam?
No, it's an
So
unbalanced voice.
Yes, it's unbalanced. Why is it unbalanced?
Because it's moving when it's touching the desert.
It's moving towards how many direction only? Only one direction, right? So it is unbalanced force. It's moving towards one direction. Okay, now, so how do you know when an object moves? We already talked about it last Monday. So who can remember, how do you know when an object moves? We need to see the change of what? We need to see the change of Hannah.
Motion. Motion.
Yeah, so that's motion, right? So what is motion? How do we know that the object moves? There's a change of what? Starts with letter P. We talked about it on Monday.
Change of uh
Change of what? Who can? Okay, I'm going to share the page of the book, yeah? Wait. Mon. Yes, Mon. Change of what, Mon?
Change of speed.
Change of speed? No, that's not what we talked about last Monday. Last Monday, speed, we just measure the motion by measuring the speed. But what is motion? Simba.
It's a change. Motion is change in position of an object.
Yes, that's it. Motion is a change of position of an object. Now look at this. Look at the book. It says it is a change of position of an object. Yet, do not draw on the screen Leo and N. Don't do that. Okay. So we would know the position of something by knowing 4 types of position: the north and the who can answer? North and Tuan Lam? Tuan Lam? Yes, Tuan Lam? This is the north. Tuan Lam, I'm calling you.
Tuan Lam, can you unmute yourself?
Tuan
Okay,
Lam.
you can talk
So,
now.
yes, Tuan Lam. How do we describe the position, Tuan Lam? This is the north. So what is this, Tuan Lam? This is the south. Okay, good. And what about this part? Anyone can help Tuan Lam? What's this part? This is the north. This is the south. You can help him. Yes. Who's that? Yes, Kuyan. What's this?
East.
Yes, very good. This is the east, Kuyan. And what is this, Kuyan?
West.
This is the west. Yeah. So because of these positions, the north, the south, the east, the west, we would know when an object starts here and the object starts moving to the east or to the west or to the north or to the south. That's when we know that there's a change in position. Now this line, look at this line and look at the screen. This is the movement of what animal? These are the movements of, yes, Zioang.
These are the movement of the sea.
Seal, yes. These lines show that the seal is going this way and going up to the north and then going back to the south. So this shows the movement of the seal. And the scientists are putting tracking device on the seal's body so that they know when the seal is going which way, which direction. It's changing its position. Okay? And they would also know how far, what's the distance, and how fast they move over time. So maybe the scientist can oh, I'm gonna give 5 points to someone who can tell me. The scientist will not use seconds. The scientist will not use hour. What time will the scientist use to describe this change of position of the seal? Leo DC.
The scientists will use months.
Months. Okay, good. It can be months, but months is too long. What is a little bit shorter than a month?
Weeks.
Yes. So scientists can use weeks, sometimes even just days. And then if they want longer, months and years. So remember that it's not only seconds, not only minutes or hour, it can be days, weeks, or months. And what about the distance? Are they going to use meters? They're not going to use meters. Harry, what are they going to use? Harry?
They are gonna use
What? They're going to use inches? Centimeter?
no.
No. What is it? Who can help him? Class, the more you raise your hand, the more points you will get today. Okay, good, Hannah. What is it, Hannah?
Kilometer.
What?
Kilometer.
Yes, kilometer. Miles and kilometer. They're going to use miles and kilometer to describe it. All right. Now look. Oh, but wait, before we do that, let's watch a video. Okay? Can you turn off your microphone? Who's that?
Me.
Turn off. Okay. So let's use a video about this animal.
Less than a month after the adult seals have gone, the sausage-shaped wieners are on the move too.
Leo.
They've never been near the water before, yet they must learn quickly how to survive in a hostile sea. They're still carrying generous quantities of blubber, but they're losing it fast, 3 or 4 pounds a day. A dieter's dream. They practice swimming and diving, but stay close to shore. Not all the sharks have left. If they don't acquire the right skills fast, they'll be in the 50% of the population that doesn't make it to a first birthday. Hunger eventually forces them to head out to sea. Concealed by darkness and water thick with plankton, they'll disappear into the night. Where they go, nobody knows. All the adult elephant seals head for the open ocean. Bulls go north to the Aleutian Islands, where they feed deep down on the sea.
Remember, they're going to the north first. So we know their position by indicating, by knowing that they are going up to the north.
Bed. Females spread out across the ocean, feeding in midwaters. But individuals with special
But the females, they don't go to the north. Which position? Which direction do they go to? Mary. Mary, which direction do the females go to? They don't go to the north. Where do they go, Mary?
They go to the west.
Yes, they go to the west. Good.
Satellite tags have shown that many make for a particular section of the subtropical Pacific. Here they join an extraordinary procession migrating across the eastern half of the ocean. Out here in the middle of the sea, conditions were once thought to resemble a desert, but now we know it's far from true. There's an abundance of life, and it's all on the move.
Mad people.
It's all traveling the same route. Along the marine superhighway that stretches for 5,000 miles, right across the middle of the Pacific Ocean. And it's all here because the plankton's here. The superhighway is on the boundary between two ocean currents. Here, plankton is concentrated, as well as the animals that eat it. It's a superhighway with food stops and service stations. Female elephant seals are here because their food is here. But great white sharks are here too. One male traveling all the way to Hawaii. The red triangle is expanding.
Okay, so this is a season when the animals move from one place to another. What do you call that? When the animals need to move from one position to another. Starts with letter M. Ming Ang, what's that?
Motion.
Yeah, there's motion because they're moving. But what do you call the event when animals need to move? David. They need to move because of a purpose. Sometimes it's too cold. That's why they move. Sometimes it's too hot. That's why they move. Sometimes they need to get food. Leo and N, what do you call that event? In the video, they said it in the video. Who can answer that so I can give points? Nobody? Bauhan? Turn on.
Migration.
Yes, very good. Yes, migration. They migrate. So the scientists, they would put tracking devices to know the position of the animal so that they can predict. Remember the word predict? They can predict the migration. When are they going to migrate? When are they going to move from the north to the south, from the east to the west? That's why it's very important to study the motion of these animals. Okay, so now everyone look at the book. Let's check the books. This here on the book shows the movement of the sharks. Look here. Can you see it? Yeah. So this is the movement of the shark, right? Now, you can see that the shark starts over here. What is the earliest date here? August what? Look at the screen. Make sure you're looking here. Make sure you're not looking at other screens there. Corn, what is the earliest date?
August 9.
Is it August 9? No, before August 9.
I cannot see all
You cannot see all?
of here.
Okay, Simba.
August 8.
Yes, Corn, yes. August 8th. Look at this. It starts at August 8th, and then it goes to August 9. So there's numbers here already. You would know. What is the latest date where we see the movement of the sharks? Daknam. I can't see you.
August 11th.
Yes, August 11th. Now, everybody get your notebook. Okay, can you get your notebook? And can you, if you don't have a book, okay, if you don't have a book, write down the first date, which is August 8th, the time, okay, and the motion description. Meaning, is it south or north? Is it west or east? So look at number 1. I'll give you an example. Example number 1, August 8th. Look here. The time is 6:15, and this is northeast. So all of them are in the east, right? Look at that. They're all in the east. They're all in the Atlantic. So this is in the east. So you're going to write down the date first and the time, and you are going to show how many kilometers. So you have, don't answer the kilometers because you don't have the ruler, you don't have the book there. So just answer the date and the time. Okay. Oh, we have 2 minutes left. So after this, I think Miss Kimang,